beauties, hey my subscribers, hey people watching me, hi YouTube. I'm gonna show you how to put eyelashes on as a beginner, because I'm gonna put eyelashes on and I'm a beginner. So that's that. I will say I really am a beginner, and sometimes my lashes do not be on my lash line. I will say that, but because like I'm very like lazy and I wear glasses, most of the time people don't notice that they're not on my lash line, because the way that my glasses and my face are set up, people don't, and if they do notice, they haven't said nothing to me. This method that I'm gonna use, I would assume it works if you know how to put lashes on, so I'm just gonna go about it as if I'm a pro. So it'll work for you. Even though I'm a beginner, you could probably be like intermediate level and it could work for you. So first you're gonna need your lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes. I forget where I get them from. I think I cut them from Shop Miss A, to be honest. Y'all seen that haul, and if you did, I'm gonna put that video in the description box for you to watch it. They were $1 if I did get them from there. If not, there are Dell lashes, because I have a stack of lashes. I have a little lash collection over there in my room. But even though I have a lot of pair of lashes, I wear the same two over and over, because these are my favorite and I haven't bought more. So the lashes look like this. I have to like show you what it looks like. And this is for the side. So what I do first, I get the lash, of course. I get the lash glue. This is Ardell black lash glue. I do like clear lash glue, depends on the occasion. But I'm going to use some black lash glue. So I put the little lash glue on the cap of that. And I'm like really dead beginner. So take my glasses off. Yeah, I'm really a dead beginner. So I use the Ardell like came with the Ardell lashes. It's a little lash tweezer. It opens and it has like the thing to apply the glue. I use that, and I use a mirror. Got this mirror on sale, so I use this mirror. I got this mirror. I use the back because it's like a 5 times multiplier and a 10 times multiplier. I use a 10. So what I'm first gonna do is take the lash, take the thing, I dip the thing in the glue, and I just paint it on. Yep, just paint it on the lash line with a lash band. And there you go. Paint that one on. And put a tiny bit more in the top part for me, because that works. And you leave it around until it dries. I'm going to just put the rest of the glue on my wrist and then wash that off later. A lot of people say don't blow it because you're going to get that bacteria into your eye, but hey, whatever. There's germs everywhere, right? Yeah, so you just wave it around, let the glue like get tacky. This is probably the longest that it takes, to be honest, like the longest part of the process. Alright, there's not that much glue in the middle. I'm going to add a tiny bit more. I hate when I don't put enough, because then I have to wait for it to dry again. But yeah, there we go. Now after I wave it around until it gets tacky, I take it with the end of the applicator. I'm sure you can use regular tweezers, but I'm not skilled like that, so I'm going to use the tool that they gave me. I take my mirror, I hold it upside down, and I like, oh, it's got glue on my Victoria's Secret sweater. Lash glue. I hold it like this, and I just look down, and then I tilt it, and I put it like right above my lash line. Then I flip it so I can see it the normal way, and I take it and attach it. I try to wear lashes in all of my videos because I just feel like it gives a better effect on the camera. But y'all, I'll be forgetting. Sometimes I just got a video idea and I'll be like, yeah, let me make video. And clearly y'all see what I mean when I say I'm a beginner for real. Because it's taken me a lifetime, but you know what? This is really a beginner tutorial because I hate when they be like, how to put lashes on for beginners. And it's not for a beginner, like it's for expert level person who's a makeup artist. Like I'm like, I cannot follow this. And then I just scratch off the glue that's gonna be on my eyelid because trust, there's always glue on my eyelid. And there we go. I like you. I wish I was going somewhere. So let me do the other one. Oh, I love lashes. Yeah, let me do the other one. So y'all, tell me why I did not have no money in my credit card. So I missed out on this month's BoxyCharm. And they gave out the Brazilian butt cream. You know, that butt cream that don't work. It says it's gonna firm your booty, but who knows if it really works. They gave out a beautiful pair of lashes. Then they gave this beautiful eyeshadow palette. And I'm like, why? Why? I've been subscribed for a while. And they didn't give me nothing that I like as much as lashes. What? Barely gave me anything. If my lashes look chunky, y'all, they have a lot of glue on them, like a lot of glue at the end. Like these are old and I should get a new pair like this, but I forget which ones these are. T, I'm going to Vegas again with my boyfriend. Can't wait. Booking my ticket next week when he gets paid. Like, I'm so excited. Migos is gonna be there the weekend we go. Travis Scott is gonna be there the weekend we go. This might sound corny and crazy, but DJ Pauly D is gonna be there the weekend we go, and he's hosting like a pool party at Rehab, which I believe is Encore's hotel. I mean, I forget. It's either Andrea's pool club, something like that. It's at a nice hotel. I'll be staying at Circus again because your girl don't got money like that, like I always say. But I got just enough money to go to Vegas. Spend more money I don't have. But yeah, I'm thinking of getting a vlogging camera so I can actually vlog this trip and repeat. I'm gonna take, oh shoot, take my little 10 times bigger side, just pop it onto my lash line. See how that stick? That's what it should be doing. Sticking like automatic. The other one, like, I don't know. One of my eyes are possessed. and bam. That one was way easier, y'all. Like, this is why lashes like get on my nerves sometimes, because just like my eyebrows, one side is always looking busted and the other side is always looking great. But they're sisters, not twins. My eyebrows are cousins. Oh, where's my glasses? Here we go. And there you have it. How to put eyelashes on for beginners. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and follow me on all my socials that are linked below. Gonna be trying to do more videos, a lot more often. So stay tuned on my channel. Bye.